highly anticipated movie Pushpa 2 The Rule that received a thundering response during its premiere show last evening. Thousands and thousands of fans who gathered and thronged at the theatres last night for the premiere show, where the superstar himself, Allu Arjun, was present there in one of the theatres in Hyderabad. And the premiere show that was screened in select Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Bengaluru theatres as well. The movie is the sequel to the movie Pushpa The Rise, and Rashmika Mandanna, who plays the female lead in the flick. And apart from Telugu, the film has also been released in multiple languages, including Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam and Bengali as well. Several fans, however, thronged the Sandhya Theatre last evening, where the actor along with his film unit members were also present to watch the movie.
मूवी अच्छा है. अल्लू अर्जुन एक्टिंग का तग्गेदेले नहीं है, असल तग्गेदेले जूतेने नहीं है साला. फाइट्स सॉन्ग्स अच्छा है, అలాగే क्लाइमैक्स का फाइट अच्छा है, तग्गेदेले नहीं है, अच्छा तग्गेदेले झुके नहीं साला.
Very good, everything good. Wonderful, great.
What was the best scene that you liked?
Everything, almost it's a best commercial movie. Everything is good.
बहुत अच्छा है. मैं अल्लू अर्जुन का पहला फैन नहीं हूँ. ये सिनेमा, सुकुमार का राइटिंग, अल्लू अर्जुन का एक्टिंग, डीएसपी का म्यूजिक, वो बहुत अच्छा है. बहुत, क्योंकि किसी सिनेमा फैन है उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बहुत गूज़बम्स आता है सिनेमा में. बहुत सारी स्क्रीन ब्लॉकबस्टर. The best fights I have ever seen in this cinema industry. The best.
However, what the fans have been reacting also to the presence of the actor there, but when it comes to the fanfare that turned into a tragedy at the Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad last evening that led to a stampede-like situation. Police had to resort to lathi charge to control the crowd, but excitement soon turned into tragedy, where a woman who had come with a family to watch the movie unfortunately succumbed to injuries. As per sources, 2 other moviegoers collapsed during the chaos and they were hospitalized, including the son of the woman.
After the Pushpa, the blockbuster movie, after 3 years, the Pushpa 2, The Rule has been released, hit the theatres, thousands of theatres across India, and fans has been seen since yesterday cheering for the movie. And here at this very theatre, thousands, have come here to just watch the movie and also have a glance at Allu Arjun, because Allu Arjun has arrived here yesterday to watch the movie, to watch the premiere with the fans and greet the fans. However, we can clearly see here, yesterday panic-like situation was seen, stampede-like situation was seen, after thousands, were seen at this, same theatre, and even hundreds tried to throng inside to the theatre. And 3, including a woman and a kid, 7-year-old boy, they fell unconscious. They were immediately, police rescued them, they performed the CPR and shifted to the local hospital for treatment. However, in an unfortunate, incident, that woman has been declared dead, and the kid, 7-year-old kid, who's her son, is still undergoing treatment. And we can clearly see here at the theatre, even now the police are trying to control the situation. They are allowing the fans one by one after checking the tickets, and even the fans who are waiting outside are being driven away by the police. We can clearly see the law and order and traffic police outside. So this is the situation here, and police in huge number has been deployed here at this theatre to ensure no untoward incident takes place. And when it comes to the yesterday's matter, police said that the probe will begin very soon. And when it comes to the Pushpa 2 movie, at several theatres in the Hyderabad city, in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, the fans are cheering, and we can clearly see in hundreds they are coming to the theatres to watch the movie. And this has become one of the costliest premiere in the Indian cinema. The tickets have been sold for 2,000 around 2,000 change in Delhi, 1,600 in Mumbai, and 1,000 in Hyderabad, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So even we can clearly see here even these gates have been broken yesterday by the fans after they tried to forcibly enter inside after Allu Arjun has arrived. However, the police, it took a couple of hours for the police to take the situation under control. And yes, like I said, the fans are cheering across all the theatres to watch the movie.
All right, so hoping that Shamit, who is joining us live right now, of course, you were there outside the theatres, you've been speaking to the fans as well, have now ample security measures that have now been put in place because the craze is obvious. It's Allu Arjun after all.
Well, right, Amita, because after the blockbuster, the Pushpa, after 3 years, the Pushpa 2, the rule has hit the theaters and across several, theaters, malls, we are seeing fans cheering for the movie. And at the Sandhya Theatre, thousands arrived just to have a glimpse of the actor. After Allu Arjun said that he will be coming there to greet the fans and take participate in the premiere. And this movie has become, Amita, one of the costliest premiere in the Indian cinema because the tickets are being sold up to the price of rupees 2,000 in Delhi, up to 1,600 in
Right.
Mumbai, up to 1,000 in
Well,
Andhra
that
Pradesh
doesn't
and
seem to be
Telangana.
stopping the fans altogether because this movie has been touted to be already a massive hit even before the release and, of course, the actors' presence there. However, when it comes to unfortunate incident that has been reported with the police now putting ample security measures in place. Thank you very much, Somit.